Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your FPS higher in Marvel Rivals. First, let's optimize your display settings. Set your display mode to full screen. This helps your system prioritize the game. Also, ensure your in-game resolution matches your monitor's native resolution for the best visual clarity and performance. If your graphics card supports it, enable NVIDIA DLSS or AMD FSR for a substantial frame rate increase without much visual compromise. Next, we'll dive into specific in-game graphics settings. For global illumination, choose SSGI low quality to improve performance. Reducing shadow detail and effects detail to their lowest settings can provide a noticeable boost in your frame rate. Additionally, consider turning off VSync. This can reduce input lag, though you might experience screen tearing if your monitor's refresh rate isn't high enough. These adjustments balance visuals with peak performance. Beyond in-game settings, optimizing your system is crucial. Always keep your graphics card drivers updated. New drivers often include performance enhancements for games. Enable Windows Game Mode, which helps prioritize system resources for your game. Also, adjust your Windows power plan to high performance to ensure your computer is delivering maximum power to your gaming experience, especially on laptops. These steps provide a solid foundation for higher frame rates. For even more frames, let's look at advanced tweaks. Disable any unnecessary background applications and startup programs through Task Manager to free up valuable system resources. Enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling in your Windows graphics settings. This can offload tasks from your CPU to your GPU. Finally, turn off in-game overlays such as the Xbox Game Bar, as they can consume resources and negatively impact your frame rate. These steps help ensure your system is fully dedicated to Marvel Rivals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.